motorcycle riders.
Participants in the event include Honda Philippines, Yamaha Motor Philippines, Suzuki Philippines, Kawasaki.
Actually, maganda kasi dito sa Chevera dahil complete na siya. So, malaki yung area which can accommodate yung different motorcycle manufacturer natin. And then, of course, yung ating different distributors, cellphone, mga partners natin. Ang maganda pa dito, talagang ideal, especially dun sa mga activities na ginagawa, lalo-lalo na dun sa motorsiklo. Kasi dahil malaking lugar, pwede sila magpa-test ride, and they have also mga free service check-up, and yung surroundings niya, kumpleto.
Guests were treated to a motorcycle show, beauty pageant, mobile phone exhibit, free test ride, and free service checkup. Guanzon Group and its partners are looking forward to the fourth leg and the biggest among the events to be held in Dagupan City in Pangasinan on December 3 to 5.
Kung sa Dagupan, yung aming fourth leg, yun yung pinakamalaking event namin. Of course, lahat na rin yung mga partners namin, kasama yun. So, gagawin namin ito sa Itimul Lucaw sa may Pangasinan. And then we will have a parade, no? And then may mga floats din, mga floats, different floats of different manufacturers, and distributors, mga partners namin. Well, ano din, mas malaki siya. Ang ganito pinalaki siya.
This portion was brought to you by the Guanzon Group of Companies, now celebrating its 65th year anniversary.
This portion is brought to you by Honda. This portion was brought to you by Honda.
And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we bring to a close another edition of Auto Review. We hope you enjoyed it. We would like to thank Mazda Philippines for providing us our test vehicle this week, the Mazda 2 1.5 automatic sedan version. Until next week at the same time here on Auto Review, this is Ron De Los Reyes saying thank you for joining us. Drive safely all the time. We'll see you next week.